Alex is moving forward, just like everyone else. Life feels normal, nothing unusual. On the surface, things even look okay. He has a place to live. It's simple, but it works. He pays his bills. Everything is under control. Money comes in and quietly goes out. Days repeat. Work, then home, then repeat again. He keeps working, doing what he's supposed to do. Some days feel a bit tiring, but manageable. Over time, things improve slightly. A better space, a slightly better lifestyle. It feels like progress, even if it's small. But expenses grow too, slowly and quietly. He's earning more now, holding more money. But it doesn't stay. It keeps moving. The same pattern continues, again and again. Something feels off, but hard to explain. He starts thinking, maybe something is missing. Life keeps repeating, even as things improve. Small upgrades happen, but nothing really changes. A slight concern appears quietly in the background. Effort increases, but results stay flat. Everything around him changes, except his position. That's when it begins to click. There are different paths, but he hasn't changed direction. Everything looks stable, but feels the same. He pauses and becomes aware. Time keeps moving, but progress feels invisible. He's still in the same place, just further along. Nothing was broken, but nothing truly changed either. And that's the realization. If you found this helpful, Give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. It really helps us create more videos like this. Thank you.